Hey, what's up, guys? Miss Stewart back here to teach you guys about what to do on week number 9 playlist. It's much of the same in the beginning. You have to do your I Ready minutes, 30 minutes of time on task, or pass one lesson, whichever comes first. You have to do that once every week, so don't forget. And then you have 20 minutes of reading every week as well, plus you have to choose one activity from that reading choice board, that reading Bitmoji library, one activity from there as well. This week you're moving into your second set of morphemes. Remember, those are those itty bitty little bits of information that have definitions, like these itty bitty tiny little half words basically that give you information, have definitions to help you figure out bigger words. Okay, we started that last week with morphemes like prefixes, suffixes, and roots. This week you have some more. You have a, intra, leg, lect, lig, grat, ped, iffy or ify, and age. So here is that morpheme slide where you guys can find the definitions for those morphemes, and then here is another quizzes to help you guys study. When you guys are done working on your vocab, you will go ahead and come take the knowledge check for morphemes set 2. Okay, get a passing score on that in order to move on. And then also you will have a continuation of the mystery that you guys started last week, the staff mystery. So this is your very first mystery log. So when you open it here, you'll make a copy. And this will be your very first mystery log, and it's about Coach Bringle. So in the mystery log, it asks that you read it and then highlight any sentences that you could use as evidence against this staff member. Okay, and if you would like it read, here's audio for you. You read the background information about this person, where they were at during the scene of the crime, right, or their alibi, and then other information that you need to know. And then down here, you have to pick one reason why you think Mr. Bringle could be the person who killed Mr. Henry. Okay, and so that's where, when you're highlighting things up here, you have to find things that would make him guilty, right? You have to restate an answer, I think or I do not think. Okay, cite text, evidence, and explain. Put reasons why you think he could be guilty here, and then any other important pieces of information that you highlighted, you can copy and paste down into this box right here. So that's your mystery log, and you will have 4 of those this week to work through. And they get pretty quick once you get going through them. All right. Once you're done with all of this stuff, there are enrichment activities and Ed Puzzle here for you to work through on bias, and some more enrichment for your vocabulary. That is week 9, guys. Good luck. Let me know if I can help you, and I will see you soon.